Go back to the corner where you belong, you dirty LG. Okay, brother. Uh, that's a monitor. Hell yeah. More importantly, it's the Acer XV271U 27-inch. And the best thing about a 27-inch monitor is that it's 69 centimeters. Nice. Now, this is part of the Acer Nitro series of their monitors. And let's look at the quick specs. So we got AMD FreeSync Premium, 180 Hertz, up to 0.5 milliseconds response time. It's an IPS panel, so it's going to be like glossy, kind of like a TV. I think at 250 means 250 nits. I wish it was a little higher, towards like 300 or 350, but whatever. The DCI P3 is 95% of the color gamut, and it says HDR10. I don't know how that could be HDR10 without at least 400 nits of brightness, but whatever. But like I said, 180 hertz, 1440p as well. So let's open it. Alright, so here's a sneak peek in the box. I actually need to put it on the ground. That looks to be the stand. What is that? DisplayPort cable, and that's probably HDMI. So if you want to get full 180 hertz, you're probably going to use DisplayPort, but if you're stuck on like a console, I think you're going to be limited to 120 hertz or 144 hertz. I can't remember. I don't have a console, so sucks to be you. JK. I love all gamers. So I'm going to unbox this, and while I build it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. This is Clay from Epic Tech, and 69 centimeters. So the more and more I unbox it, I'm getting more and more impressed. So it comes with some instruction manual. So this is like a mouse pad if you're a broke boy like me. So, but this is like metal, plastic, and it looks to be toolless. Hell yeah, boy! Oh, and it swivels. Don't steal my barcode. And then this is the stand too. This is a fully adjustable stand too. So like height, tilt, pivot. All right, let's open that thing. There's my shoe. Don't drop the monitor. Don't drop that Alright, I'm gonna open that so I don't drop it. Back to the monitor! Alright, so no, I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna replace it with that. Get rid of that thing. Alright, sorry, like I said, we gotta send that thing into the shadow realm, brother. Oh, and by the way, it was toolless. I didn't even need a screwdriver or anything to get this attached. It literally took like 30 seconds. So, hell yeah. Wait, are those speakers? That's splendorous. Splendor. Alright, no, we're gonna replace that one now and put the new bad boy. Ooh. Bye. I banish you to the shadow realm. Ooh. Ooh. We got some good colors already. I haven't even touched any settings. But first, I gotta make sure it's on 180 hertz. So 1440p, advanced display. It says 179.88 hertz. Interesting. Yo, that's freaking buttery smooth. Okay, so I'm gonna mess around with like the color settings, and we'll go from there. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so from what I'm seeing, you want max brightness on. It helps max brightness on plus brightness 100. I have it on the standard. Yep, so you want it on the standard mode. Whenever you change the modes, it changes stuff. I hate that. So now I'm in user mode. HDR does not look good, by the way. Color. Ooh. All right, let's look at like a YouTube video or something. Yo, this looks good.
Gohan, this version of you I never got to see grow up. I just feel awful for what you went through.
You always did everything you could to protect this world, Dad. I'll keep carrying on your legacy. $50. 484-7492. Make sure to give them a call for the pizza coming to you.
Monitor gets 10 out of 10 so far, but there'll probably be a part 2 to this video. And thank you so much for tuning in. This is just kind of like the unboxing and building and first impressions. I give it a 10 out of 10. Well, I gotta go eat dinner, so make sure you comment, like, subscribe, share this with all your friends. Peace. Stay epic. Love you guys. This is a kid's channel. Stop it.